Piraking Studio. My friend brought me a broken scale. People will hand it over to you only if something is breakdown. That's true, but let's check it out. Here we go. This one is it. It's broken down, but I don't know what's going on. My friend said that this one broke after being left unused for a long time. Hi guys, look here. It's all rusty. Can you see that? Look, these springs are rusty and broken. It's all broken. How to repair them? Let's perform surgery on it. Oh, so pitiful. It hurts so much. Of course, it will hurt, but the disease will need to be treated. Do you know that? There is a kind of pain called growing up. As long as you endure this pain, you can gain a new life. It's so touching. Throw the petals quickly. Oh my god, what a software is this? What I need are petals, not this. Wow, it's all chips. I don't know if the battery fluid damaged the chip. How can we know that? Connect the power and we will know. If the battery electrolyte flow on the chip will be burned. There must be programmable chips in this, or some specification chips. If this chip fails, there's no way to repair them. So connect it with DC and check it out. Because the original design was for batteries. So I'm going to connect 6V DC to it. Make sure if it works properly. Will it work? Oh my god, he has paused. It's saying hello to me. Nice. It's a good beginning. It's time for transplant. Invite organ donors to show up. Hey, what on earth are you doing? There is nothing. I'm just looking for someone to donate organs. I found this abandoned remote control in a scrap section. Look here. There are something here that can be reused. Take off its battery holder and transplant it to the other side. However, battery springs are sold online. But the unit price is too low. As a result, the shipping cost is higher than the product. And we have to wait a long time. It would be more interesting to go to a physical store. The store owner help you find the goods and weigh it out. And you just buy one. Let's go transplanting. Dig out the rusty ones. This rusty one is the most annoying. The best solution to this problem is to replace. You know, there is no eternity in this world. Apart from my love to my wife, there is no eternity in this world. What are you laughing at? I was serious. It's true, you young people don't understand. This has to do with the important matter of dinner. There is also breakfast and lunch too. I'm not kidding. Instead of looking at this repaired, why not come and listen to my chat? This is how human technology is, and the method of maintenance should be similar. It seems like I have been chatting too long. Now install the last spring leaf. The result not meet the specification. So I took another piece apart. The spring has been replaced. Then we soldered the power cord. There is still one piece that has not been replaced. I got so carried away in chatting that I missed it. Now solder the power wires. Today's work is actually quite simple. The wires has been soldered. Let's install the base plate. It has many fasteners. Each one must be confirmed to be fastened. Finally, tighten the 4 fixing screw. Why don't you use an electric screwdriver? This video was made a while ago, and I don't have an electric screwdriver at the time. So my friend took the wave machine back for a long time. So far, it still works. It's finished. Install the battery for testing. After the battery is installed, it is ready for testing. Put the cover on. Wow, the lights are on. When the light is on, it must be okay. So, play the music. What would the number be if I stood out there? I'd better not tell you. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pyraking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.